Good morning, YouTubers. How are you? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Beautiful day here down at Narrogin, little town, country town, about a 2-hour ride out of Perth, south of Perth, but inland, not on the coast. Where to today? Well, today I'm going to do the ride called the Inn Ride. In the old English days in England, the UK, inn is a little pub, a local pub. We'll go down to the inn. Well, we're at Narrogin and we'll go visit a few inns ourselves. So the Narrogin Where To Today Inn Ride. Come along and enjoy. Thanks very much. But yeah, lovely day. We had a bit of rain last night. For the sake of it, I'm at the Albert Facey Motel at Narrogin. Standard motel, nice rooms, standard price for motels within the area. But yeah, very quick look at the room for the sake of it. Here we are. So you've got the double bed, single bed, kitchen and microwave, TV, obviously air conditioner, and the wardrobes, and obviously the toilet and shower all in one. Here's my bike. I noticed another bike parked next to it, so I've got another motorbike rider staying somewhere in the hotel, and we might say hello to him at some stage if we got a chance. All right, thanks for that. Yeah, I do appreciate you watching my channels and watching my YouTubes and coming to the channel. I do enjoy the ride, and it's nice to know that you're coming along with me and hopefully you're enjoying the ride with me and getting to see something you wouldn't see at home. So hopefully I'm providing something for you. I enjoy it, hope you enjoy it, and I'm really pleased you're coming along with me. Thanks to those that have subscribed to the channel. That's actually starting to grow. I'm happily surprised. It's been great. So those that have subscribed, thank you very much indeed, and I'll try to get back to all your comments that you're leaving. I really do enjoy reading through those and responding. So it's and so far enjoying it all, having a good time, and hope you are too. Anyway, come for the ride. All the very best. See you. Bye.
Well, as you can see, still very overcast as we leave or head into the town centre of Narrogin. I realised it was a coffee and thought we'll probably pop across to Wagin for a bit of breakfast.
Before we leave Narrogin, just a quick photo of the post office, and only because we had coffee at a little coffee shop dead opposite. Let's put the drone up and see what we can see.
We're going to pop down to Wagin, have a look see there, and then go on from there. So it's a fairly easy run. Actually straight down the main Great Southern Highway. And as you can see from that sign, it will take you all the way down to Albany if we want to go so far. I'll take a photo. So here we are, the little town side or settlement of Highbury, back in 1892, I think it said. Apart from the pub and the public toilets, I'm not sure what else is here. The service station, it's getting better and better. No, nice little feel for it actually. But we will continue our way on to Wagin, and so that's Highbury, between Narrogin and Wagin. It's about here I probably need to just clarify my run when I mentioned we're doing the in run and compared it with the pubs in England and UK called an inn. Unfortunately, no, my run today is the in, as in towns finishing with in. I-N, as in Wagin, and then we're going to go and have a look at Wickepin, as in Wickepin, I-N. So hopefully I didn't confuse you earlier when I said the in run. My in run is starting from Narrogin to Wagin, and then finishing at Wickepin. Here we go, bye.
Somehow we've managed to get onto a dirt road. We're supposed to be going from Wagin to Wickepin via the highway, but here we are, this gravel road. Anyway, I'll put the drone up. There's a nice lake we're passing by. Alright, we continue along the gravel road and find our way finally through to Wickepin. So just a bit of scenery of the gravel road. Solid road, but very loose stones and gravel, so you have to be careful what we're doing. So as long as we go around the corner and your front wheel washes out, and this all goes over very quickly. It turns to poop very quickly if you're not careful. Anyway, we made it safe and sound. Wickepin, here we come. But before we get there, I just want to get a couple of photos for you, just to show you that road probably in a bit more detail. The gravel road, you can see how much gravel, loose gravel is on the road, so you've got to be careful when you're riding down this type of stuff. So it can all go very quickly. Also out there was a massive shed, or hay storage shed. Good size, couldn't believe the size of it. Well, we managed to get off the gravel road and now on the bitumen, sealed road, and on the way to Wickepin. And when we get there, I'll put the drone up for you. marks the end of what I'm calling the Narrogin Inn ride. Not quite the inns of England, but we did get to Narrogin, Wagin and Wickepin. I'll leave you a couple of photos of the Wickepin Hotel and Post Office and some street art. But more importantly, thanks for travelling with me. I do appreciate it. Hopefully we've seen some sights together, maybe some that you haven't seen before. A like, comment or subscribe would be great, and I'll certainly respond to all your comments. Thank you very much. Plenty more rides to come. Let's travel together, see what's over that next horizon. Enjoy your company. All the best. Bye.